Hey, don't swear on my video.
I don't like this.
That's how they're made. It's Harley. Aftermarkets are made different. They don't look like that.
This one's not like that.
So the plug in the side.
They don't have that big cutout. Sleeper cone. Unless you're gonna trade me that, you're gonna work something out. I've got 3 chrome covers right here for 1 chrome cover. That's fine. Put it on my tab. Did we shim it for the chrome one?
Nope. It had a lot of extra in there, remember? What did it have a lot of extra in there?
Oh, it had the extra because our little bunny ears weren't on there.
The washer fell
Our
out.
bat wings.
The washer fell out when we pulled the cam.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. Come on, washer, get in there where you belong. Stupid washer don't want to go on. There it goes. Boom. Okay.
I like it. I got a bitchin' Zambini that'll make up for the non-shiny.
Okay, we set up the chrome one, I put the black one on.
Let's set the chrome one up.
Where's the gasket? Oh, we're gonna use another gasket. So we gotta check the end play.
Do you want any of these older covers?
We're gonna cheat on the checking the end play though. You know you cheat?
How do you cheat?
You measure the damn thing before you put the unit. It's their gasket. $64,000, 59,000, 62,000. Somewhere between 60 and 65. What's this one? 63. 67, so it should be good. We had 14, remember? Okay, so now we'll just put it on there and check it. This time with all the parts in it, just to be different.
I like the Harley bolts. Oh, it even comes with a fucking gasket.
With everything.
Think that seal's any good?
What seal? It's gonna have to be because they have no seal in it right now. It will leak without the seal in there.
Is it going to be the same size as the Harley one?
Same size. What's Harley on? What are you talking about?
The Harley seal.
Takes the same parts. So you gotta put it in. We've got in play now. Sounds good. Way better than it did before. It was clunk, clunk, clunk before. Now it's just click, 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 click. Yeah, a little bit of a clunk, but not much. Much better.
So are we back to 14 now?
Oh, I think it's a little bit tighter than that.
So what, these flywheels are a little bit bigger than the Harley flywheels?
Something's a little different. So right here it gets a little snug there, but still pretty straight. That's a tight spot. Okay. So push the cam all the way toward me. There's 10. 10 went in. Try 13. Nope. 12. Nope. Tied 11. We got 14 loose before, so it's 3 thou tighter.
You want to throw one of those thinner fucking...
No, 8 to 12 is what I want to be. We're 11. 5 would put you down there we had before. It was tighter. 5. Do that. And that's when we didn't have either. Or we didn't have nothing.
Mm-hmm.
10 out. We only have 1 thou clearance. That really tight. Okay, you good with that? You going with this?
I'm great with that. Run it till it blows.
Okay, you gotta put a seal on this thing. You want to use new screws or you use these old ones?
What's that?
You can use the new screws?
No, I'm going to use the old one. I like the Harleys better.
You want to look for one that's a little shorter than this one?
Which one?
Maybe a 1/4 inch less than that one.
I think I can do that. Oh no, I didn't forget it. But you know what I don't have? I don't have the screen assembly and all that. Fucking somehow that shit got lost.
For the top of the screen?
Yeah.
You running solids?
No.
Like always?
Yep.
You probably should have it then. Okay, double check our timing marks, make sure nothing moved. Marks going up.
Like this one?
Well, I don't know, need a washer on it. It's like a new chrome one. Alright, way back.